All right, so what we want to talk about right now is fixing some errors that are going to happen or finding ways to snap stuff down. There's a bunch of different ways you can snap things, but this is a really fast way to align things in specific directions. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to 4 for Edit Poly. I'm going to delete this edge. I'm going to make it a little bit more example by saying we're going to take our UV into this. Okay, and I'm going to come back down to Editable Poly in the stack here, show the results. And then if I happen to have, let's do a cut through here, and then if I do this like this, let's say this is like this, and I'm modeling and I end up doing the symmetry and I end up having this a little bit off. Well, there's ways to fix this. I can just adjust it back the way I had it, really simple. Obviously you don't think it's that far off when you do it, but it ends up being out. So really easy way to do, you don't have to be in the front viewport, but this will be easier to see, is I can either grab the verts or I can grab the edges or whatever I want, well anything that is, in this case, the whole side, and I can come over to my edit poly mode, and inside of edit geometry, I can scroll down to here where it says make planar, and now I have X, Y, and Z. I'm going to say in this case, because we know that we need to make them align in the X direction, push X and snap, bam, perfect. Okay, so we've got X locked in there. If it was in the Y, bam, it's the wrong direction. Okay, if you do it in the wrong direction, it's okay, just undo, and then you can do this and undo. And it's just a really quick, easy way. And now the problem with this is that it's still not quite centered. So I just need to move this over, and now I'm there. It doesn't have to just be with editable polys either, or edges, I mean. You can do it on anything. I'm going to come up here to this edge, just drag it down a little bit. I want this to be flat, so I'll go back to 4. I click on this. I say, in this case, make planar, again in the edit geometry on the drop part. And we're going to say Z and snap. And now if I need it to be taller, I can do that, or whatever I need to do. The point is that this is a really fast way to align stuff back up and have control, and that's what we're going to do.